This is Dr. Bev Knox, and I just wanted to extend a warm welcome to you to the course. I am delighted that you have signed up for this psychology course. Please note, I have created a learning video lecture component to this course where I have converted most of my classroom lectures to a video format. This will assist you to grasp content information that you may otherwise miss in the classroom. And I've entitled these learning video lectures, Learn Psychology While You Sleep. The intent is for the student or learner to listen to each lecture, not only during the day while taking notes, but also at night while drifting off to sleep. So please subscribe to this channel, Dr. Bev Knox, and turn on the notification bell to receive my latest lectures. One more thing, I try very hard to talk very slowly during the lectures. This in itself will assist the student to soak in the information without missing a lot of content when the professor talks too fast. I always like to start all of my psychology courses with a wonderful story by Dr. David G. Myers. I absolutely love him and his authorship for many titles. I try to use his textbooks as much as I can in my courses. He starts off by, what is psychology? Once upon a time, on a planet in our neighborhood of the universe, there came to be people. Soon after, these creatures became intensely interested in themselves and in one another. Who are we? What produces our thoughts, our feelings, our actions? And how are we to understand and manage those around us? Stay tuned.